Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sapna. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to style Co-Ords but for a body type like me which is not slim and trim, and how you can style these Co-Ords and look slimmer and taller. So the first one is this beautiful camel brown Co-Ord set. I'm sitting right now but I'm gonna stand very soon and show you. So this is like a very high waist palazzo pants or bell bottoms with a crop top and beautiful cut umbrella sleeves, as you guys can see here. So the idea behind looking taller and slimmer is, one, to wear a high-waisted pant, and since I'm really fond of crop tops, but because I don't have a flattering waist, I really can't wear it with every outfit. If you wear a high-waisted trouser, something like this, you can surely style your crop tops and it will make you look slimmer and taller. So tip number one is always wear high-waisted pants when you have certain issues around your waist like I have, but there's no need to feel diffident or bogged down. Just carry yourself with elan and confidence and poise, and you are surely going to look sassy, sexy and elegant. Guys, both these Co-Ords are from Shein.com. I am going to leave all the links to these products down below in the description box, so do check it out. Now the second one is this really stunning Gucci style Co-Ord, which is a complete print on print with a little bit of what I can say, stripes detailing going on. So this also is a very comfortable outfit. And tip number two is to wear a print on a print or something which is going in the same sequence. So don't break the colors. Wear a uniform print from head to toe, and that's also going to make you look really tall and slim, since there is a stripe detailing right at the center of the waist, but it is cinched. And just because this pajama trousers are also high waist, it's not making my waist look any unflattering or anything of that sort. So you guys can see this outfit is also looking so stunning, so sexy, and it's super comfortable, but at the same time it's giving me an illusion of a taller and a slimmer body type. So with these two simple tips, you can surely rock any stunning outfit and make yourself look taller and slimmer and be more confident with your body type. So there is nothing to feel ashamed of your body type. All you need is confidence and right attitude. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and do check the description box. Bye.